In his bid to reduce mortality and morbidity rates in rural communities, particularly among vulnerable populations such as children, pregnant women, and the elderly, Ijebu Northeast Local Government Chairman Honorable Folusho Badejo, in conjunction with Malenu Foundation Incorporated USA, has organized a 3-day free medical outreach for the people of Odoshimadegun in the local government. Correspondent reports that over 300 people benefited at the first day of the program held at Odoshimadegun Health Center in Ward 2 of the local government. No fewer than 300 people from 15 communities in Ward 2, Ijebu Northeast Local Government, converged at Odoshimadegun Health Center at the first day of the 3 days program to benefit from the free medical outreach and surgery. The Executive Chairman, Ijebu Northeast Local Government, Honorable Folusho Badejo, in his address said the free medical outreach in partnership with Malenu Foundation Incorporated USA is in line with his campaign mantra of giving the people free and quality health.
This also falls within our mantra, which is under the delivery of quality health services. And that's one of the things we are looking at. If we cannot do it, we don't have the resources to do it, we have to think outside the box. And that's what we are doing. And also with the sincerity of purpose that we have in government, that's why we are able to get people like Malenu Foundation to support us.
President Malenu Foundation Incorporated USA, Dr. Adekunle Ogunfunwa, commended the Executive Chairman of Ijebu Northeast Local Government and Ogun State Government for providing enabling environment to serve the people.
My main focus all the time is to bring quality health service to the people who cannot afford it, and to the people who can afford but they have no access, regardless of their race, sex, religion, or whoever they may be.
The medical practitioner also appreciates other donors and sponsors of the program.
For now, we have done 3 hernia surgeries today already, hernia repair, and we're still going to do more today. We have breast lumps, we have hydrocele, we have cysts, and many more surgeries. We have patients that came for fibroid, but that is beyond the scope of this facility. The foundation will send them to a higher center where it will be done for free.
Beneficiaries of the program expressed their heartfelt appreciation.
It's a very good program, and we thank God that people turn up. And I'm sure that for the next 2 days, people will still come in, will still be coming. And I thank Dr. Ogunfunwa, who has arranged this proper health care for we people in the rural area.
People who are in charge had already taught us many things about these challenges and how to come about these challenges, to bring them to our head or to maintain them, and stress management, and of which if we are able to comply with it, at the end of the day we will praise the Lord and we will see the hand of God in our lives.
High point of the event includes health talk and screening of blood pressure, blood sugar, and relevant medications, as well as food palliatives to make the festive period memorable for the people. The 3 days health and surgery program, which started on December 26, 2024, will last till December 28, 2024. From Ijebu Northeast Local Government, Anthony Gandonu, NTA News.